To do a knit stitch continental style, hold the yarn in your left hand, insert your right needle into the first stitch on your left needle through the front, come up, over, and around the working yarn and pull it back through the knit stitch, and now the knit stitch comes off the needle. You'll see at the base that there is no purl bump. For reference, this is a purl bump right here, but at the base of this stitch there is no purl bump because it's a knit stitch, and your right leg is going to be in front and your left leg is going to be mounted in back. Again, into that stitch, over and around, and grab that working yarn and bring it back through, and now the stitch can come off the needle.